I'm spending $20 a day on Facebook ads and getting 30 to 40 new leads every day on autopilot. Let me show you exactly how. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. I recently taught this on one of my workshops, and our students have been getting some phenomenal results. What we're going to do is we're going to use something called lead ads. Now, this lead ad is something that's underutilized. It's not talked about a lot. And the reason why it's so powerful is because the user never has to leave the Facebook platform. So if they're on their phone and they're scrolling and they see your freebie, they click on it, it instantly pops up for their email address. They say yes, and then they get your lead magnet. They never have to leave the platform. And that means you never have to put together a landing page and send somebody to your website. And it's much cheaper because you're keeping people on the platform. And the results have been pretty phenomenal. When I set this up back in March, I started instantly getting 53 leads, 38, 29, and it just keeps going. And I've not touched the ad ever since it's been running for 2 months. And it took me about 30 minutes to set it up. I also helped Laura set this up, and she has never run ads before, ever. Brand new ad account. And she's just been running it for about a little over a week or two. And she's already added 313 new email subscribers at 44 cents. I've got her ads dashboard here. You can see 337, 44 cents. And here's mine. I have been able to collect over 1,941 new leads running $20 a day, around 88 cents per lead. And that's what I want to help you to accomplish. I also helped Christine set hers up, and she was able to get hers somewhere around $1 a lead and almost 200 leads in a matter of 2 weeks. So this is a powerful strategy when you implement it. So let's talk about the logistics. First of all, we've got the ad itself. Now, the ad structure, I give credit to Taki Moore. He perfected this. And then I took some elements that I liked with my copywriting background and baked in a little bit more here. And I want to walk you through exactly how to set this up. So we're going to come back to this in just a second. And by the way, this was an entire workbook that I gave to the paid participants in the workshop. It includes some nice little fun extra bonuses like a GPT that will write the ad copy for you. And if you want this workbook, just click the link in the description below. You can have this complete workbook, get access to that spreadsheet and a lot of other goodies as well to help you get your ads set up. So let's jump back over to the platform and let me walk you through this. Don't want you to be intimidated. You do not need to have run Facebook ads before to be able to do this. So in here, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and click this big green button called Create a New Campaign. And you're going to select Leads. Now, I'm going to just use the one I have set up because it'll be a good example. And I'm just going to hit Edit. Once you hit and you select Leads, it's going to put you into this section right here, which talks about your campaign, your ad set, and your ad. You need one campaign, one ad set, and one ad. That's it. And we're not going to make a whole lot of changes here either. So you could put a little campaign name if you want. Here's where you're going to decide your campaign budget. You can start with $5 a day. 10 is what I would recommend. Or if you just really want to jump in and start getting those leads, 20 is a great place to start as well. And then that's it for this particular. You're going to hit next or continue, which is just under my video. But we're just going to click here and you're going to go to where you're going to choose your audience. Now, when you come in here, you're going to be choosing instant forms. You will need to select your Facebook page. And if you want to run it on Instagram, you'll need to select Instagram as well, which I would encourage you to do. As you scroll down here, you're going to come here to audience. Now, this is where, if you've heard of Facebook ads, a lot of gurus over the years have said, don't use automatic targeting. Don't let Facebook just target your leads. You have to get in there and you have to pick popular Facebook pages and you have to pick demographics. And we all know that's slowly been going away. What's happened is, since AI has evolved, is Facebook has launched a new, what's called the Andromeda update, and it's way smarter. And if you give it the copy that I am recommending that you do, it's going to know exactly who your audience is based on your ad copy. And it's going to be able to get those cheap leads for you. So we're actually not going to touch audience. We're going to leave Advantage on. We're not going to try to drill in and use anything else. That's it. That's all we're going to do on this page. Now let's get down to the actual ad itself and let me talk you through this. So as we scroll down here, and don't worry about this error. I don't want to run my ads on WhatsApp, so I just don't even mess with it. Here's what the ad itself actually looks like. Expand this out so you can see. And this is the ad. It's very simple. And I'm going to walk you through this structure so you could create this in just 2 or 3 minutes. Mine says new book, how to go from 0 clients to a fully booked coaching practice in 90 days or less, even if you don't have a website, a big following, or any idea where to start, without posting on social media every day, without cold calling strangers, and especially without spending months getting ready before you ever sign up your first client. Click to download. Now, when they click this button, what's actually going to happen, like I mentioned earlier, it's not going to go to a website. You do not need to create a landing page or anything like that. You're actually going to, let's see if I can scroll down here. You're actually going to have this pop up right here. Let me move my video so you can see this. There's this pop up form right on the browser window or right in the mobile phone app. And there's 4 parts to it. So you get to create this form. I'll show you in just a second. You're going to create this form and you're going to put in there, again, what they're getting. And then there's really just the contact information. What's great about this is Facebook automatically puts their name and their email address in here. It's already pre-filled in. So all they have to do is click continue. That's why the opt-in rates, if we go back, you'll see this is why the opt-in percentages over here are so high. That's why they're 60%, 50%, 60%, 75%, because it's so easy to allow people to opt in. And then they hit submit. And then you are able to put this continue button. You can send them to follow you on Instagram or go to your website or join your Facebook group or go subscribe to your YouTube channel on that last part of that form. So that's it. It's an ad and it's a form. So let's talk about the ad. First, we have the image. Now, what I did, let me just open it up. What I did is I just simply took my book cover and I loaded it in here. And then I tried to use something bright. So you don't have to do this if you don't want. Somebody else that I helped, she went with something that was a little bit more her brand colors. And then we utilized for Laura something that was a little bit more purple that could kind of catch your eyes, but it still kind of blends very well. It's up to you, the colors you want to use, but something that stops the scroll works well. Now, these are all book examples. You say, I don't have a book, Jonathan. Can I do this? The answer is yes. I have used this with just a simple lead magnet or a free mini course that you want to give away. Anything that is valuable that people will want in exchange for an email address will work, especially if it is in alignment with the prospect you're trying to attract. So I downloaded that and then I simply uploaded this right here under media. I just uploaded in there. So that's done. Now we got the actual copy. So let's come back over here and let's talk about this. There's kind of 4 parts to this. It's going to make it work. First thing that we want to do is we want to call out the role, and that is who is your person. We want to actually name them in the ad. It's going to be better. So you might name them as women over 40 going through a traumatic life change. You might say, in my case, it was coaches trying to start their coaching practice from scratch. So we want to call out the role in this ad. The second thing we want to do is the dream. The easiest way to think about it is everybody wants to go from somewhere to somewhere, right? Everyone's got something that they want that they don't have currently. And so what is that? Let's describe it. So in mine, it's how to go from 0 clients to a fully booked coaching practice in 90 days or less. And so that is the second part, is the dream. It's from something to something. What is the before, where they are now? What's the after? Next, we want to talk about the even if. This is classic copywriting that has worked for years. And we have to think about, what are the objections that they might have? What is the stuff that's stopping them? What's the obstacles? And so even if you don't have a website, so we're eliminating people who think, oh, I got to get a website. I got to get things up and running. A big following, so you don't have to have a big following to have a filled up coaching practice, or any idea where to start. So we're going to eliminate all those things. And then finally, it's the without. Now, this is also the obstacles that they have as well. It's the hard stuff that they don't want to do most of the time. So without posting on social media every day, without cold calling strangers, and especially without spending months getting ready before you ever sign up your first client, click to download. And so if we do this correctly, what's going to happen, if we look over here, you're going to simply call out what it is you're giving away: free course, free checklist, free book. And then who are we talking about? So in this case, we're talking about a coaching practice. We got coaches listed here, coaching practice. What is the dream? How to go from 0 clients to a fully booked coaching practice. What's the even if you don't have a website, big following, any idea where to start, and without what? This section right here. Now, if you still say, Jonathan, I'm not a copywriter, I want some help, then grab this PDF workbook that has these extra bonuses like this GPT. It'll ask you a couple questions and it will create for you 5 versions of ad copies using what I just showed you. So that it makes it easy for you. All right. So now that we've done that, let's jump back over here and let's look at the next step. So, final step here is that we need to set up our form. Now, this form is already set up, but in this case, you would come up here where we are going to find the forms right here, and you would click on this create an instant form. When you do, it's going to allow you to put what you want here. So I would put like free, what is the thing? And then tell me where to send your, and then describe it again. So that's all we're going to do on that one. On the next one, we're not going to touch anything here. I recommend if it has extra slots, you just have first name and email. Keep things simple. Privacy policy. Now, if you don't have a privacy policy, you'll need to create one, but you can share a link from your website. That's all I did was I just copied and pasted a link that goes to mine. So we have privacy policy. In my workbook that I was talking about earlier, I have a privacy policy creator somewhere in here, and you just answer a few questions. It'll create that privacy policy for you. And then on the last page is just deciding where you want them to go. So I have some free books on the way. In the meantime, follow me on Instagram to learn more about becoming a $1 million coach. And then they can click on here and go follow me on Instagram. I get about half of them to follow me on Instagram. So it's also growing my Instagram following as well. Once you have those set up, you just click publish and you're done. Now, there's one extra step in there, but what you can do is set up something like Zapier, which will go from Facebook into your email marketing software of choice. Let me show you what that looks like. So here we are in my Zapier account, and it's very simple. It's when this happens, then do this. Now I'm using Kajabi, but it more than likely whatever you use will be in Zapier. If we open this up, it's very simple. It'll walk you through this process where if you never connected Facebook before, it's going to ask you to sign in. So a little pop-up will happen and you'll sign in. And then you'll need to choose the form that you just created because you named that form. So you select the page that's associated with your Facebook ad, and then it's got the form, you pick the form. And then you click continue, and that's all you do for that. And then next, it's going to be a little bit different depending on what you're using, but it's going to be the same, very similar. For most people, it's going to be asking you, what form do you want to send people through in your email marketing software of choice? So what I do is I just go and create one called Facebook lead ad 90-day coach. And everybody gets added into that form automatically. And the last step in this process is to send them the thing that they opted in for. So with the form, you can typically add a email that's an automatic email that goes out that gives them access to the thing. I just have a link that's literally the PDF copy of my book. And then everything's set up. Those are the steps that you walk through to set this up. And you've got this video now that you can literally pause and set one of these up for yourself. And so again, if you want some extra help, I've got some extra goodies. You can get my spreadsheet. My spreadsheet automatically calculates how your ad is performing, green, yellow, and red in those particular categories. And it'll give you a little bit more information as well as access to the spreadsheet. And you can have this workbook, and there's 5 bonuses that are included in this entire thing. So there you go. Now you know how to set up a Facebook ad so that you can get leads every day. I call them the invisible lead system. Whether I'm working or not, I'm getting leads every single day for my business. Now, if you want to know the other 8 parts, other 8 systems that I recommend that you have if you're a writer, coach, speaker, or teacher, and you want to build a business, I did an entire video really mapping out my entire format and structure and model. And you can go watch that video over here. Just go over there. It's called the $1 Million Messenger Path. We'll see you over in that video.